Thailand, the land of smiles, stunning beaches, and unforgettable experiences. Millions fall in love with this beautiful country every year. But like any popular destination, there are traps waiting for unprepared travelers. Welcome to the Worst 5 in Travel, and today we're helping you navigate the top 5 tourist scams in Thailand so you can enjoy your trip worry-free. The first scam, the island tour scam. It all starts with a tempting promise, a hidden paradise island, crystal clear turquoise water, and a delicious seafood buffet. But reality often disappoints. Overcrowded boats packed with tourists, constant stops at overpriced souvenir shops, and a mediocre cold lunch you didn't order. And just when you think you're done paying, there's always a surprise fuel surcharge or environmental fee. The smart move? Never book boat tours from street vendors or beach hawkers. Use licensed tour agencies with verified reviews or book through reputable online platforms. The second scam, the friendly tuk-tuk trap. A smiling, chatty driver approaches you with an irresistible offer. "I take you around the city, only $1. Sounds like a steal until you realize he's not taking you where you want to go. Instead, you're being shuttled from one gem store to another, then a tailor shop, then a souvenir outlet, places where he earns commission for every tourist he brings. And if you dare complain or refuse to enter, suddenly that $1 fare becomes $20. Protect yourself, always agree on the exact price and route before you get in. Better yet, use ride-hailing apps like Grab or Bolt for transparent, fixed pricing. The third scam, the cheap massage surprise. You're walking down a busy street and spot an enticing sign. Traditional Thai massage, full body, only $5. You step inside hoping for relaxation, but instead you find questionable hygiene, dirty towels, and uncomfortable pressure for large tips. Some places even add mysterious extra services to your bill that you never agreed to. Worst of all, the massage itself is often rushed and unprofessional. Here's the rule. Choose licensed, well-reviewed massage establishments, not the ones desperately shouting discounts from every street corner. A few extra dollars can mean the difference between bliss and regret. The fourth scam, the temple blessing trick. You enter a beautiful, sacred temple seeking peace and a glimpse into Thailand's rich spiritual culture. Then someone dressed in monk robes approaches you, offering a special blessing or lucky amulet, followed immediately by a request for a donation, often a specific large amount. Here's the truth. Genuine Buddhist monks in Thailand follow strict rules and do not actively solicit money from visitors, especially not in such a transactional manner. Many of these monks are actually scammers, exploiting both tourists and the sacred reputation of Buddhism. Remember this, authentic temples welcome voluntary donations in designated boxes, but legitimate monks never demand payment for blessings. If someone aggressively asks for money inside a temple, politely decline and walk away. The fifth scam, the double pricing game. You arrive at a popular market, national park, or attraction, excited to explore. But here's what many tourists don't notice. Locals pay one price, while foreigners pay double. Sometimes it's frustrating, but it's common practice at many locations. Fight back smart. Buy tickets online when possible. Prices are usually standardized. Ask locals or your hotel about official pricing before you visit. And, when in doubt, check if student or senior discounts apply, as these often bypass the tourist markup. Before you book anything in Thailand, arm yourself with these habits. Read recent reviews from multiple sources. When booking accommodations, call the hotel directly to confirm details. Sometimes booking sites show outdated information. Avoid paying 100% upfront to unknown vendors. And here's the golden rule. If a deal sounds too good to be true, it usually is. Thailand remains one of the most welcoming and enchanting countries in the world. The warmth of its people, the richness of its culture, and the beauty of its landscapes are real. But like any savvy traveler, you need to stay alert and informed. Share this video with friends and family planning to visit Thailand. Help them travel confidently and safely. What's the worst travel scam you've ever encountered, in Thailand or anywhere else? Tell us your story in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to The Worst 5 in Travel, where we uncover what guidebooks won't tell you so you can explore the world wisely.